Hi, Alan Stratton from Woodturners. Well, I'm sorry, I don't have a new project this week. The ornament challenges have been a great results, but it takes time to do it. And to add insult to injury, however, we're adding to remodeling our house and adding to my shop, and my shop is in total chaos right now, and I'm hoping to recover it soon, but it may be a while. But anyway, bear with me, please. But what was exciting to me that I'd like to share with you with this video is last night I was at our club meeting and we had a gift exchange, and the gifts that came out of that were simply fantastic. I took the moment to take some pictures with my phone. I'm sorry they're not great pictures, and not staged pictures, but I thought it would be worth sharing with you all in the spirit of the season, and let you make your own choice as to what it is. Some of them would be really fantastic things to try and replicate. So here you go.